Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to hide followers on Facebook. To hide or limit who can see your followers on Facebook, so open Facebook and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Now from here, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Next, scroll to Audience and Visibility and select Followers and Public Content. Now under Who Can Follow Me, select that and choose friends instead of public if you don't want strangers following you. So if you have that option, select that. Next, under who can see your followers on your timeline, select that and select only me. So click see all and select only me and click on save. Or you can choose a more restricted audience such as friends, but it's up to you. Now, if you want to hide your friends or followers list, so next method is again go to settings and privacy. Then from here in the search bar, go ahead and search for who can see your friends list. So tap on who can see your friends list and set this to only me. Click on save and that's it. So note that Facebook's menus can vary slightly between the app and website and may change over time.